Hi everyone, in this video I'll walk you through how I use Notion to keep track of all my content ideas and actually get stuff done and publish things on the internet. If you're new here, I'm a certified math and physics teacher in Ontario who holds a master's degree in statistics. So I started using Notion to manage my content ideas a few years ago after watching an Ali Abdaal video, which I'll try to link and card on the top right here, and all the links, timestamps, will be in the description below, and don't hesitate to ask questions as well, or just your thoughts in general. So the idea is that each post an idea, it's either an idea or I'm actively working on the script. These are the more distilled, ready to record, and then eventually they're scheduled to be posted, and then eventually they're posted. And some people they hide this column entirely because it's useless, but it's essentially a funnel of ideas, and it just drives just thoughts, ideas. You capture them using your GTD or whatever. I use OneNote on my phone, so I capture ideas, I put them in Notion, and eventually it just funnels and distills and slow cooks until they're ready to record. So as you can see, the ideas are not what's missing, right? And I don't even add all of them to Notion. It's a database of the ideas that I don't act on right away. So here in Notion, I have a couple, or in OneNote, I have a couple ideas that I took. So after reading Peter Attia's Outlive book, I have some food tactics for myself. So I'll just try to add that, and I'll just copy paste, right? So food tactics, it is in process. Master tag would be food, and I'll tag Peter Attia. So that way it's part of my master tag database. And I'll just copy paste everything. So copy paste. Voila. And since it's food, I might put I'll just type food, or let's go with food, and I'll put an avocado or something. So as you can see, it's up there, and now I can delete it from my OneNote. I'll just do that for a couple more articles to add them. So first year of teaching takeaways, that's pretty that's like not urgent, but it is timely, right? I don't want to post this after 10 years of working, so that's close to being able to record, but we'll still put it in script and process. I'll just copy paste everything, and since it's teaching, I'll write teach. There you go. Copy paste, delete this. This is the wisdom from my Cairo, so this I'll add as well. So new Dimitri wisdom, voila. And I'll put exercise maybe. The icon obviously is just optional, just for appearance. But so that's how I add articles. And I'll do one more. This is Fitbit data. And actually this I won't add in here, so I'll delete that and I'll add it somewhere else in my OneNote, because I am writing a book, basically an ebook on my Delio and Fitbit data, so I'll add that there because it's more actionable. Okay, whereas the Notion templates is more like just ideas that slow cook over time. To move an article or an idea from one thing to another, you can change like input sense data. I took notes here. You can change the tag to the process, and I could move it if I want to. Or what I like to do myself is I can just move it like this. Basically, my philosophy on being productive and stuff is you just take notes on whatever you think or you come across, and then you let them build over time and compound over time, and you just follow what interests you in the moment. So I might find something super interesting 3 months ago, but now I just pick ideas from my list of distilled ideas and work on them like 1 or 2 hours in the morning. So it's always surprising how much 1 or 2 hours of deep work in the morning can really produce. If you do that over time, you can produce 20 to 60 quality pieces of content per year, which is pretty impressive because it doesn't feel like you're working hard. You're just chipping away at it slowly. Instead of doing one big heavy lift where you burn out and write a book from scratch, you're always building on your ideas, and it feels like play, which is really fun. So I hope I kind of convinced some of you to start posting their thoughts, because they're worth sharing. And as always, leave your thoughts, and thank you for watching.